Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Margul here from MG's Fry. So today, as the title says, cook with me and make dinner with me. So yeah, I had these rice in this packet, so I thought to store in this jar. So yeah, I was doing that, and for dinner of like 2 to 3 people, I made 3 cups of rice. So yeah, this is kind of my measuring cup. I usually use this red cup to measure rice every time. So yeah, this is the third cup I'm filling. And yeah. So yes, this is done as I am making vegetable rice. So for that I took peas, onion. It was medium 3 onions, 2 green chilies, and yes, this 1 inch piece of ginger and some garlic. And yes, this 1 carrot. So yeah, I didn't add much veggies in this. Carrot and peas, and that's it. So yeah, this video contains little bit of organizing things, as it always runs by side with cooking. So yeah, did you notice one thing in this oil bottle? It was some sort of lid in there. In that, I will remove it after some while. So yeah, I'm adding here for 4 to 5 large spatulas of oil here. So yeah, all the ingredients done. So now finally I'm starting cooking. Firstly, I will add onions and that oil. Then they'll get soft. I'll add rest of the spices, and before that I'm crushing this garlic and ginger. Yes, 1 piece flew away. And yes, so yeah, I crush them. Now I'll add all the spices, like 1 tablespoon of salt, and now I'll add half tablespoon of red chili powder, some 1/4 teaspoon of cumin, and nigella seeds as well. And yes, I added fennel seeds too. And now I'm adding 3 spoonful of biryani masala. It's our traditional masala or spice, and I don't like this cardamom in the biryani masala, so I'm removing it. And yes, I'm adding 3 tablespoons of the spices, and then I will store this in a jar. So yeah, it's the third one, and yes, it will taste good, very good. If you want delicious dinner, it's for you. You can make it. So yeah, it's the jar. I'm putting all the leftover biryani masala in it. So yeah, it's a good way to store an open packet like this, if you have the jar, or make one for yourself. So yeah, like this, I'm putting it inside the cabinet. So yeah, back to the recipe. You have to do dark brown onions. As you can see, these are not burnt out onions. These are dark brown onions, and it will taste so good, so good. I added tomatoes, and then carrot and peas and all the ginger garlic paste together. So I'll get them to fry a little bit, and then I'll add a lot of water so that they can get soft and all the taste get absorbed in that. So yeah, my English is not very good, so don't judge me on my English. And yes, you have to rinse water as it runs clear. So yeah, until it runs clear, you have to wash it 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, whatever. When it gets clear, you have to stop then. Otherwise, you have to keep doing it. So yeah, I'm doing that. So yeah, it's almost the third time. and I think it would be my last time. Oh no, one more time please. Bear with me, bear with my broken English, bear with my slow and steady process. But yeah, it got done finally. So I will soak them in water for like 15 minutes, I guess, or 20 minutes, when all the water gets dried. So yeah, it got dried almost, not almost, but yes, it's about to get done. Now I'll add the, when water is like getting absorbed, I added two green chilies, and some few like hot spices. So yeah, and here I am adding water. I added 3 cups of like rice, and I'll add 4 cups of water here, and then yes, all the rice, soaked rice. So yeah, when the water gets absorbed, then I'll cover it for like 15 to 20 minutes, and it will be done. Yes, on low flame. Yeah. So yeah, they are done, and I will serve them. And yes, whenever you want to give it to someone, so you have to like firstly like take off for them. If you want to give it to someone, then you will like, it will be a good sign or good thing for you. And somehow my husband brought these like stuff, fruits, veggies, and that's yogurt. And that's yogurt I'm making raita in our traditional language, but I don't know what do we say in English. Yes, yogurt thing. I added salt and pepper in it. So yeah, and I'll organize rest of the things here. I got these baskets from my fridge. I already had few tomatoes, but there is so much more. So yeah, green chilies and parsley, lemon, and everything. So I'm sort of organizing them. And yes, the lemons are here. Now I'll like tear it apart, this shopper plastic bag. So yeah, these are bananas, and in this basket I'm going to put apple and pomegranate. So yeah, meanwhile my husband was like getting fresh, so I thought to organize this. I'm bad at waiting, so I cannot wait. So I thought to make salad as well for rice. So yeah, I'm also making this salad, chopped salad, I would say, carrot, cucumber, and this radish thing. So yeah, I'm doing that. And yes, if you want me to like cook with me, make me videos, if you want to watch like cook with me videos, do subscribe to my channel, and you can comment as well. So yeah, I know my voiceover is a little boring, but yes, with time I will improve it. And yes, so I'll serve the meal now, and you can enjoy. It was delicious, 100% delicious. I'm not lying, but it was good dinner. If you have veggies and rice at home, you can cook this. So I'm here chopping like mint for my yogurt thing. I will put this in yogurt, and yes, you can enjoy this chopped minty yogurt. So yeah, I was serving this tray. my husband and me. And I use hot water, and when